You sneeze once, and your whole village starts backing away. You're not sick. Or are you? It's 1347, the year the Black Death arrives in Europe. No one knows what's causing it, but people are dying. Fast. And you just sneezed. They think it's bad air. Or a punishment from God. Doctors, dressed like birds, and they're as clueless as everyone else. One sneeze could mean you're next. Or worse, you've doomed your whole village. By the time it's over, up to 200 million people are dead, and it all started with a few rats. But here's the scary part. It's not the last time it came back. Follow for more stories they don't teach you in school.